channel. It is your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. This one is going to be fun. So you guys know I love accessories. I love a beautiful moment with jewelry. And so today I have a jewelry video for you. It's going to be short and sweet, but it's gorgeous. So I cannot wait to share with you. If you're interested in the pieces that I got, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so as I said, I have a jewelry video for you guys today. I have a couple of bracelets to share with you. And unless you've been under a rock, you know that charm bracelets have been everywhere. You can't go anywhere without seeing them. And so today I have a beautiful, affordable alternative to the leading charm bracelet brand. And I can't wait to share with you the pieces that I got because they are stunning. So today's video is in partnership with Gona. Gona is in Paris. They have a beautiful flagship store that is a known tourist attraction you can go visit if you're ever abroad. First off, the packaging is amazing. I love this box. I love the colors, the scheme of everything. It looks so luxe, but it's not over the top. Y'all know I hate wasteful packaging. So this one is really nice and concise. I love it. And I also love the color. So it's Gona Paris. And let's get into it. Here is the inside of our box. The great thing about Gona is that you have a year warranty with all of your pieces, and they ship worldwide free for over $39. Anything over $39 ships worldwide for free. You can't beat that with a stick. So here is the inside of my box. I love this beautiful tissue paper. And then here you've got a little card. Let's see what's all in here. So you've got a little blurb about the brand and see, look, some stunning pieces, beautiful model. What I love about these pieces is that they're interchangeable. So you could very well get a bracelet and have charms on the bracelet, but then you could get a necklace, and the very charms that you wear on the bracelet, you could put on the necklace. They have earrings also. So you could take the charms off your bracelet and or necklace and put them on your earrings. Everything works together. It's almost like a capsule jewelry collection, right? Like you could mix and match the pieces. You can wear them in different ways, which gives you more bang for your buck, and it makes it super easy for you to be able to play with things and wear them in a different way. So I think that that's super efficient, super sustainable, and very mindless. Like you don't have to think about it. You could just mix and match them and you don't have to worry about all of the extras. So yeah, they have the Paris flagship store. 30 days free returns, shipping within 48 hours, 365-day warranty. So yeah, and then they have the two locations. So they have the flagship store and then they have the Paris Charms Boutique. So if you're ever abroad, like I said, you want to check them out and see what they're all about. So got a beautiful card. It just says, "Dear Brandie, every charm tells a story and so do you. Thank you for weaving our bracelet charms into the tapestry of your remarkable influence. Have a great day." Love that. And then what is this? What's this? So this just kind of tells you about each piece that you have and the details on it. So I really love that because a lot of times when you get things like this, I feel like they don't include that. So I love that. And then you also get your sterling silver certificate. So it is genuine sterling silver, and the pieces that I have some silver pieces, but I also have some pieces that are gold plated. So that is very important to me that genuine metal be underneath. That's just important to me. So sterling silver is a plus for me. Now, let's go ahead and get into these beautiful boxes. First of all, this color green. Y'all know green has had me in a chokehold lately. Love this. This looks so expensive and luxurious. I just love it. It is that soft matte feel and touch. And then also each one comes with its own little bag. So it is perfect for gift giving. Y'all know the holiday season is upon us. I know that sounds crazy, but the holiday season is upon us. So gift giving season is about to be in full effect. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to get something for your mom, your girlfriend, your significant other, whomever, and gift it because it comes packaged specifically for gifting. So love the packaging, super beautiful, but let's go ahead and get into the piece. I was super selective about the charms that I chose because I wanted them to mean something. And the selection, first of all, they have so many selections. If you're an animal lover, if you're a astrology lover, if you're literally they have everything, but it's specifically the Love and Infinity collection The Love collection kind of had a chokehold on me. And so this piece here that I curated has beautiful charms on it. I really wanted something that embodied my family, made me think about the loves of my life and my children. So being my children, my husband, you know, God, my family. And so here is my bracelet. This one is the gold one. And you have, like I said, these beautiful charms. I have this one here for my kiddos. This beautiful pink one with the baby feet on it. The hearts for love. This beautiful charm here to represent my faith. It just says, what does it say? With God, all things are possible. Which, yeah. Love this one. This one I got because it is my favorite color. It's purple. I'm sorry. Beautiful heart with some purple rhinestones in it. This one I got because it is a beautiful heart charm, but it has a key. This one I got to symbolize my husband because he does have the key to my heart. So literally everything means something to me. This says love you forever on the back of it. Then this one, this beautiful, first of all, the design of this block, this love block is amazing. This is super weighted. It feels very sturdy and heavy. I love it. For me, I know this is probably silly, but weight signifies that it's good quality in my mind. If it's heavy, it's good quality in my mind. So the weight on this is gorgeous. And then just this beautiful one here. And then this one here. These are just some beautiful designs. And then this one is actually the charm that comes on the bracelet and the bracelet itself. I love this bracelet and how thick it is. I love it. I love it. All of the designs are very intricate and very detailed. So I love this. Let's go ahead and put it on. I don't know if you could tell, but there's a little divot here and you just put your finger in there, stick your finger in there to open it up. Y'all, the quality on this is so good. So you put your finger in that divot, it comes apart just like that, and then you can place your bracelet on. Sits right in there, and then you close the charm on top of it. There are 3 sizes of bracelets available to you and a bunch of different designs for the specific bracelet type. I prefer a more simple bracelet, but they have intricate to simple to however you want. So you definitely have many, many options. But here is how the bracelet sits on my arm. I love it. You guys, I also love that if you know, mixing metals is a trend now. And so I also got pieces that I felt like could mix well together. So silver pieces and gold pieces that could play well together. And so with that being said, let's go ahead and get into my other piece. This is my silver piece. So pretty. So pretty. So here you'll see that this is the bracelet here. A different style of bracelet. It has enamel. This is enamel pink here. It has a G for Gona on it. Very intricate again. Very intricate designs that they have here. And then here are all of my beautiful charms. This one has a lot of pink and what is it? Pink and like diamond, Swarovski like type crystals. Love this one. And again, this one speaks to the love and the infinity design that they have. But I'll show you one by one each charm. Here's this beauty. This one I loved because it was a mixed metal. It has that gold piece in the middle, but then it also has the rhinestones on the side. The designs on these are so phenomenal. And then this is my favorite charm of them all. This one says family, and it is just a heart. And then you have this beauty here. And then last but certainly not least is this beauty here. And again, I say if you had multiple if you're able to purchase like multiples, right? If you wanted to of a specific set, you could do that, and then you could wear them on your earrings. And I want to show you how easy it is to take the charms off. So this is the pink bracelet without the charms. You literally just drop the charms, drop the bracelet in the holes of the charms. Super, super simple. Just like that. You could wear as many or as few as you want. So I love that, because sometimes I don't want it to be super busy and making all that noise. So you can definitely take some pieces off of it if you wanted to and you didn't want it to be super busy and loud. Also, I have a discount code. My code is going to be Brandie, and it is a discount code of 20%. So yes, 20% off their already affordable charms. Like I said, if you know anything about these charm bracelets that have just been everywhere, you know how pricey they can get. Charms can be $100 to, dollars per charm. So you want a quality charm, but you don't want to break the bank. Gona is going to be the best option for you. So here are both of mine together, and I am obsessed. So that is it for this video, guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out Gona, and we'll see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.